Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasiya Kitchen. Adeshima, me mobi biara akwaba. And then the first time I'll share me a higher Glorious Ahobrasiya Kitchen. You. And then your papa is simple. You. Strawberry, banana, coconut ice cream. Kwedu, strawberry, and it could be ice cream. Eti yakonye.
Yeah, strawberry and banana. And she said, we will be a windy aboahu niama milk no enye mawa. Would the coconut milk? Okay, no sugar. Now the coconut milk and it goes in the sheet. See, where she ready. Hey. Ice cream. So I don't come. Try me look at chef freezer kakra. You for being so fry. Look at chef freezer kakra and mama will be right. Na fe di akwese freezer kakra na ye frame kakra unza nti ice cream no achen remember say you know natural fruits nti no it's good even cause we will be a won pe ni amfa sugar so ankam nti we will be a we try to we lose weight na bibia obetumi e ice cream okay see no matter bowl ice cream bowl nti na say cones no ni bowl ni basket and ni bowl my friend fufu for ice cream many fruits nti we so say we program now what they say we are come yeah we are on to twishy mu worry bowl now nti ice creaming send sugar lemon to me the banana no be eka ho o de mug ho na chese we see na what banana no so aka na chese support no so now we do ice cream pepper healthy way. Okay, yeah, and I sell pet so the honey kakra wo ewo me can help you up man na ye bibi ewo now then we pension now the kakra kan na let's say a balance we organic and amebo yeah with the fruits no in a grand style. Now the strawberry and when so they're fresh, if you got them straight away, and also you find saying, and see the asha hasi, unza, yeah the back one hasi, hey, cook never. So when you order too much, and so honey kakra, now they're good banana no so. Hey, I so cool. Oh, me person me didn't say auntie. Well, penny say no, what they need. Too much to say a come. So the basis was some monsa. Now the sis was some. So, yeah, won't you chancing at the same time? So, what the healthy food? We real play to no bone in after. Thanks for watching. I love you all. More love from Ahobrasiya Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. And if you are new here, you are welcome to Ahobrasiya Kitchen. I love you all.